Hi everyone, in this DIY I want to show you how I get my white sneakers cleaned after use without washing it with water. You all know in Nigeria everywhere is dusty, messed up, so whenever you use your white sneakers you find out that it's all messed up, and if you wash it all the time it's going to worn out easily. So in this DIY I'm going to be using cotton wool, and also I'm going to be using dissolver. Yeah, I know you guys will be wondering why dissolver, won't it dissolve the rubber in the sneakers? Yeah, some part of my sneaker is cotton and while some part is rubber, so the side that has rubber in it, so there's a way I do it so it doesn't affect the rubber. So this is basically how I try to maintain my white sneakers without having to wash it with water all the time, because if you use water to wash it all the time it's gonna worn out easily. Yeah, it's gonna worn out easily. So basically this is how I try to maintain my sneakers. So it doesn't mean I will not still wash my sneakers, but this is preventing me from washing it every time I wear it, because continuous washing it will make it worn out. So you can see how this thing went off. So this dissolver is nail dissolver, so I'll write the name on the video, nail dissolver. Yes, so with this method of cleaning your white sneakers, so you'll be able to like wear your sneakers like 3-4 times before you do the proper wash. So in so doing, at least your sneaker is gonna last longer for you, because every time washing is gonna make it fade. No matter how original your sneakers is, it's gonna make it fade. Yeah.
Baboli, smoky dashi, got money, shake it for me. Baboli, smoky dashi, got money, shake it for me. London guys, fully the vibes. Lucky guys, fully the jam. London guys, fully the vibes. Lucky guys, fully the jam. Versace lọ́rùn mi dúró dédé, Gucci lẹ́sẹ̀ mi dúró dédé, Zanoti lára mi dúró dédé, 36 million pence dúró dédé. Versace lọ́rùn mi dúró dédé, Gucci lẹ́sẹ̀ mi dúró dédé, Zanoti lára mi dúró dédé, 36 million pence dúró dédé. Versace lọ́rùn mi dúró dédé, Gucci lẹ́sẹ̀ mi dúró dédé, Zanoti lára mi dúró dédé. Somewhere, I will watch every time. I the money on you and I body. Alana Baba, Roewa, Zikosh, K-Fire, Papa Gucci, Jabrut, Bob Sugar, People.